what is, first of all, let's look at what is 3 consecutive integers. If I have 3 consecutive integers, what does it mean? Consecutive means in a row. Yeah, in general, like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, these are consecutive, right? Yeah, these are consecutive only. But if it is odd, it will be 1 and 3 and 5. And if it is even, it will be 2 and 4 and 6, right? Okay, so these are the even ones, okay? And these are the odd ones, right? But if I just say consecutive, it means all of them are consecutive. These are all consecutive. Okay, all of them. So if I say find consecutive integers, then you will say what? You say, okay, the first one, suppose the first one is, you don't know the first one, but suppose you want to assume something. So you're going to assume, okay, this is x. The next one will be, of course, x plus 1, because you added 1 to come to 2, and then you added 1 to come to 3, and then you added 1 to come to 4. So that's why the next will be x plus 2, and the next will be x plus 3, and so on, compared to the first one. But if we're talking about integers that are even or odd, like here, odd, for example, just the 1 and the 3. What's the distance between 1 and 3? 2. So if you assume the first one to be x, the next one will be x plus 2. And the next one will be x plus 4. Because you added, the distance between 1 and 5 is 4. You added 4 to come here, right? Do you understand?
Yes.
But the first one is x. How did you come to 3? You added 2. So that's why if this one is x, the 3 will be just x plus 2, isn't it? 1 plus 2, which is 3. And this is 1 plus 4, which is 5. Right? Right. If we are talking about even now, if we're talking about even, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. So let's talk about even. If the first one is x, suppose you assume this is x. This 2 here. The next one, what will happen? From 2 to 4, you added 2. So this will become x plus 2 also. And this will become x plus 4. So it depends on what are we asking? Are we asking for even or odd? As you can see, even and odd are the same. X plus 2, x plus 4. X plus 2, x plus 4. But if I don't say odd, I don't say even, I only say consecutive, it means just x and x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, like this. Okay? So now our question say find the sum of 3 consecutive odd integer. 3 consecutive odd integer. That means the first one would be x, the next would be x plus 2, and the next will be x plus 4. That is now 3 consecutive odd numbers. So if I want the sum of them, okay, I have 3 now consecutive odd numbers. The sum would be just to add them. So just add them, okay? X, the first one, plus the second one, which is x plus 2, and then we add also x plus 4. This is the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers. And how do you add this? X. You add the x's together, x and x and x, right? And you add the numbers together. X plus x plus x equal to what? X cubed?
3x.
Equal to 3x. Equal to 3x, okay? So that's equal to 3x. Okay, and when you add the numbers together, 2 and 4? 2 and 4, it's equal to 6, right? So that's equal to 6. That's it. That's the sum of 3 consecutive numbers, knowing that the first one starts with x. If the first one starts with x, then the sum will be 3x plus 6. Okay, that's it. The question doesn't want anything else beside that.